Today I'm bringing you to one of the most unique properties that not only I have ever seen, but I promise that you have ever seen. I'm Justin Holder with Parks Real Estate. Today I'm in Pelham, Tennessee. Those of you that are music lovers, you'll know that name because the Caverns, the cave where they host all the incredible concerts, is literally right down the road. We're close to Monteagle, we're past Manchester. Here is a look at a property unlike anything else. Some properties you see, and some you truly experience. With a setting and seclusion that feels like you're out on a Colorado ranch, this place is breathtaking. Fenced, cross-fenced, and multiple pastures, the property is also sprinkled with pecan, cedar, oak, hickory, walnut, and cherry trees, multiple fruit trees. We'll head in the house here shortly, but let's start with this 4,400 square foot massive horse barn. It's the real deal, made from old timbers, plus a tractor storage area in its own section. Then this professional 1,400 square foot workshop, every handy person's dream. It has hot and cold water and one bathroom. Next door is this greenhouse, like out of a magazine. Grapevines out front. It has electric, water, and I even learned what a hydroponic watering system is. There it is. Then into the home. This place is a fortress, built to last. 14-inch walls. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs, a huge kitchen with custom cherry cabinets, gas stove, and a chef's dream pantry. The den is on the front side of the house, with the dining off the kitchen. The steps leading to the second story were handmade by the owner, with poplar, black walnut, and cedar from the property. The master bath vanity is also made with wood from the land and has a great open design. The master is on the front side of the home, plus a 4th bedroom. Then we go down to the 1,900 square foot basement, which again is a great hangout area. This fireplace, also made by the owner, is made with rocks and trees from the property. What a project! The rest of the basement has more storage and work areas. There's also a 4th story of fantastic storage and some areas that could be finished out. This is a compound like nothing you have ever experienced, and such a relaxed lifestyle. This is kind of one of those properties you really don't know what to talk about first. You talk about the house first, the barn first, the workshop first, the greenhouse first, the land first. It is incredible. It hits the market now. More information at justinholder.com. And as always, to discuss marketing your property unlike anybody else, you can visit justinholder.com.